It is an honor to address you all at this important party development party today. I want to talk about the vision of Timor-Leste as we move forward in our effort for economic development and reform, and how we can work together to achieve a future that is prosperous, sustainable, and inclusive for all Timorese citizens. Our goal for economic development and reform is clear: to build a diverse, dynamic economy that not only creates jobs but also supports local business and ensure a sustainable future for everyone in Timor-Leste. To focus and targeting economic reform, we are strengthening Timor-Leste's ability to grow, reduce its dependency on natural resources, and create new paths to our prosperity. Our commitment to economic diversification is central to the reform we are practicing. While oil and gas have been the pillar of our economy, we are now focusing on expanding into new sectors that promise a long-term growth and stability. The key areas of focuses included agriculture, tourism, light manufacturing, and renewable energy. By investing in these sectors, we are creating opportunities for both urban and rural communities. Excellensia's distinguished participants. In agriculture, we are investing in improving infrastructure, irrigation, and access to modern equipment. This will not only boost agricultural productivity, but also empower rural communities to generate income and grow local business. We want to ensure that economic growth reach every corner of our country, helping to reduce poverty and increase the standard of living for Timorese people. On tourism sector priority, Timor-Leste is blessed with abundant natural and cultural assets. These assets offer incredible opportunity for sustainable economic growth through tourism, and we are committed to tapping into these resources responsibly.